Hello traders, welcome to my channel, Sam Trading Strategies. If you're looking for powerful techniques to dominate the market, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to reveal one of the best 1-minute pocket option trading strategies using 3 powerful indicators, a zigzag indicator and 2 simple moving averages, SMA, 1 red and 1 white. But wait, to make this strategy super effective, you'll need to fine-tune the indicator settings. Don't worry, I'll reveal those exact settings later in the video, so stick around. Now, let's talk about the trading rules step by step. Pay close attention. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you never miss a strategy that could change your trading forever. Trading rules. When the zigzag line slopes downward and the red SMA crosses the white SMA upwards, it's time for a sell trade with a 1-minute expiry. When the zigzag line slopes upward and the white SMA crosses the red SMA upwards, that's your signal for a buy trade with a 1-minute expiry. But wait, don't forget these golden rules. Always check support and resistance levels. Use a 1-minute candle time frame with a 1-minute expiry. Avoid trading during news releases. Markets get unpredictable. Focus on European and New York sessions for better results. Easy, right? But don't worry if you're still unsure. Now let's take a few live trades together so you can see exactly how this strategy works in real time. Watch closely as I use both indicators to confirm the perfect entry points. High risk warning. Trading binary options involves significant financial risk and can lead to losing money. Always trade responsibly and use funds you can afford to lose. We've just nailed our first trade. A clean win. Now, let's stay patient and wait for the next perfect setup. Remember, in trading, it's all about timing and discipline. Stay tuned. The next opportunity is just around the corner. All right, I've taken a sell trade here because it perfectly matches our setup. The zigzag indicator is sloping downwards. The red moving average has crossed the white moving average and moved upwards. Always start by testing this strategy on a demo account. It's the safest way to practice and build your confidence before jumping in with real money. And don't forget, if you want the exact settings for all 3 indicators, make sure you stay with me until the end of the video. Yes, we've won this trade. This just shows how effective this strategy can be when followed correctly. Now, let's stay patient and wait for the next perfect setup. Remember, consistency is key in trading. Here we go, I've just taken our 3rd buy trade of today's session because it perfectly matches our recommended buy setup. The zigzag indicator line is sloping upwards. The white moving average has crossed the red moving average and moved upwards. Make sure to watch till the end to get the exact indicator settings. Now, let's wait and see how this trade concludes. Win or loss. Remember, in trading, patience is key. Stay tuned. And we've won this trade. Now let's stay patient and wait for the last perfect trade setup of today's session. The final trade could be the one that really seals the deal. The zigzag indicator is sloping upwards. The white moving average has crossed the red moving average and moved upwards. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which trading strategy or topic you'd like to see next. I'm here to create content based on your favorite trading ideas. Make sure to watch till the end to get the exact indicator settings. Now let's see how this trade concludes. We've won this trade too. Now, as promised, let me show you the exact indicator settings for this strategy so you can set them up yourself. First, we will use the zigzag indicator with the following settings: deviation 5, depth 4, backstep 3. We will also use 2 simple moving averages, period 3, white color, and period 6, red color. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or need clarification, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot and helps me create more high-quality content just for you. And don't forget to share this video with your trading community so we can grow and learn together. Keep learning, keep growing, and always remember, The power to succeed is in your hands. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.